In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and set up an area light in Blender. We'll start right in the 3D viewport. Press Shift plus A to open the Add menu. This is the fastest way to bring new objects into your scene. From the list, go to Light, then choose Area. Blender will place a new area light in your scene, typically at the 3D cursor's location. If you don't see it clearly, zoom in or switch your view so it's not hidden behind other objects. Next, let's position it. With the light selected, press G to move it. You can guide the movement along a specific axis by pressing X, Y, or Z after G. Press R to rotate and aim the light toward your subject. Adding an axis here also helps you maintain control. Press S to scale the light. Remember, in the case of an area light, scaling not only changes how big it looks, it also influences how the light spreads and how soft the shadows appear. If you need precise adjustments, hold Shift while moving, rotating, or scaling for finer control. Now we'll dial in the light settings so it behaves exactly as you want. With the area light still selected, open the Light Properties panel. It's the tab with the light bulb icon. Start with Power, which controls brightness. Increase it if your subject looks too dim, or lower it if things are blown out. Then adjust size. Larger sizes create softer, more natural shadows, while smaller sizes make sharper, more defined shadows. Color lets you tint the light. Subtle warm tones can simulate sunlight or indoor lamps, while cooler tones can suggest moonlight or a more dramatic mood. Finally, pick a shape. Square and rectangle are great for simulating windows or softboxes, while disc and ellipse work well for circular fixtures or spotlight-like sources. If you're mimicking a window, a rectangular shape aligned to the window's proportions often looks convincing. To evaluate your lighting accurately, switch your viewport shading to Material Preview or Rendered Mode. These options are available in the top right of the viewport. Material Preview gives a fast, interactive look at how the light influences materials, while Rendered Mode shows a closer representation of the final result. As you tweak power, size, color, and shape, watch how your scene changes in real time. If something looks too harsh, try increasing the light size or reducing power. If it feels flat, rotate the light to create more interesting highlights and shadows. That's it. You've added an area light, positioned it, refined its settings, and previewed the results like a pro.